Alright, what is going on, boys? Got another trade recap video today. Gonna be a quick little video. Kind of run through some thoughts and trade I took. So, yeah, headed in this morning, market open, was looking to be pretty bearish headed in the day. We had this 4 hour inversion on the overnight session, as well as we were now respecting this hourly fair value gap. I was looking at that, looking to potentially see lower. We had all this low resistance liquidity down here that we had been building up uh, beginning of this week and last week. I still wanted to see get hit. Um, Come down to a lower time frame here. Market open. There was this potential short right here. You could take to this um, low right here. We came up. We tapped in this 5 minute and got a nice big move down. The reason I didn't take this trade was because first we had this manipulation move down and then we ripped back up. So if we would have just came up and taken like this high out, which is what I was looking for, would have been a lot more likely to have taken that. Either way, I did not like that. Um, Anyways, we get this hourly change in state here. Still looking for shorts, still a ton of stuff lower. Kind of the bread and butter here. We wait for, you know, 30, 45 minutes in market open. We get this new 15-minute fair value gap opened. I'm looking for a retrace back into it to then see lower. Um, we get that lower. Originally, I was looking for this 2 minute inversion right here. Um, get that out of the way. We had this 2 minute right here. I was looking for an inversion. We got the inversion. It was just way too far off where I wanted my entry to be, so I didn't enter. Out of limit order at the top of the fair value gap. Never got tagged into that. Unfortunately, no big deal. Like, all right, there could be another potential entry here. Come over to our 5 minute here. We have this big 5 minute fair value gap that we ended up inversing, guys. Came up, we tapped into a 15-minute fair value gap. We got a nice rejection off it. We got internal SMT highs. Um, and then we get this nice 5 minute inversion on the way back down with liquidity resting below us. Boom, I enter in off the 5 minute inversion. We get right here. Stop at this most recent high up here. Looking to see, I was targeting this low down here. It's external low. And this would probably take profit a little bit there and then full TP there. That is the trade I entered on, and it literally just got absolutely stop rated to the fullest. I didn't see that we had this other 5 minute for value gap above that we could have potentially gone back in, tapped, and then got a push lower. So the reasoning behind the trade today, again, good reasoning. The entry was not good. I could have waited until we got that retrace into this 5 minute fair value gap after the inversion to then go short. So if I were to enter here after the tap, stop at the high or stop above that fair value gap, we got better RR and it just would have been a way better of an entry. Should have realized that we had that above there. I didn't. Everything else was really good, but that was just the thing today. Just absolutely got stop rated. So TP ended up getting hit to a T literally right after got tagged out. I think I had my stop right there, which was at high right here. But yeah, guys, or it may have been this high. It may have been that. I think it was that one right there. But yeah, it's the trade I took today. Took an L, about $320 loss here. So count is not doing too great right now. Still in profit, but wiped out quite a bit of that kind of buffer I built up back in the end of 2025. So continue going strong the rest of this week, and yeah, see if we can catch some other banger trades. But that is all for me today. Peace.